So let me tell about what I do. I run a design team behind the brands you love, like AI Infra that we all see in here. The coolest conference in the Bay for the first time in a row, bringing the best people in infrastructure. Or the new, fresh, updated Ignite identity that you've seen that now stands for what we all feel, the energy, the excitement, the new opportunity, and well, you can all feel it in the air. For over a decade, we were working with more than 200 different friends to help them to fundraise more than $500 million owing to our design work, but also winning more than 100 design awards. And since the GPT era arrived, I've been thinking, what is the future of user experience looks like? I mean, how it's all connected. We built more than 1,000 AI-native products, so where design comes first and leading the whole experience. But I was like, what is the next thing? First, I was thinking that it's the chat interfaces. And the chat interface is what we all see right now. And if it will play, no, it will not. But so the chat interface is something that we've all been experimenting in. We've designed one of the first chatting experiences in 2023. Leading to the, hyper-personalized experiences, understanding the prompts, split screen for the deep work and everything. Then we thought that, well, the generative UI is the next thing. So what is the generative UI? It's like if your AI knows enough context about the product that you built and about the user, you can spin out the future of the interfaces on the fly based on the client's prompts. And I was thinking that this is the future of the UI, to actually generating the interfaces on the fly for the user. But after solving design problems and building different clients projects, I felt that we all were doing it wrong. We were doing it for the wrong audience. And the audience that's right now emerging, that's actually grew 48% just last year, are the audience that is not the web is designed for. And the web is not designed for people, or well, for machines that are making the impact on the business of each and every one of you. The bots. The bots right now take 5 to 7% of the monthly internet traffic, which is insane. It's not including the malicious bots and traditional search crawlers. To put it in perspective, what is 16 to 29 exabytes of data a month mean? Well, that means that bots consumes monthly the same amount of the Netflix streams through all the year. And this category is growing fast. You remember, 48% just last year. And we are only 2 years into the AI search. Given the data that the 43 of the websites getting, 63% of the websites receives AI bot traffic, and the ChatGPT bringing 5 billion visitors a month, making it 4th largest website in the world. We're just getting started with the AI and the traffic and the bots and their experiences. The projected traffic that we will have from the AI will most likely overcome the traditional search engines in 2028, and then we'll be growing. So we're just in the beginning of the new era, and the web is built for the humans. That's the challenge. I've been winning these awards, designing these experiences, crafting the different, high-quality production videos and animations and the screens and the text, and just like creating the content, but it's not designed for the bots. And bots are the ones silently making decisions on behalf of your consumers about what to buy and how to make a decision and influence every single decisions that they do. So right now, I think that right now it's time to prepare for the new kinds of visitor bots. And it's the mission that I'm driving. And I think this is the place where we all have to acknowledge that, well, people are making decisions there. And this opportunity is enormous and growing every single day. You see before, this is you or me, the user. We were looking at the websites. We were going through the content and making the decisions by ourselves. Is it good or bad? Is it fit or not? But then, the Googles and the Bings arrived, And they kind of do categorization. I can't wait to tell my kids that, hey, I was clicking 20 links myself to making, to finding this one paragraph that I want to use, or, to making the decision by themselves. And that was status quo for a long time. Then, the era that we live in right now, there's other AI engines appear, and they're all crowding the websites, they're all making decisions, and they're all having the impact on day-to-day business. They also will be using your product. So they're not only reading the marketing content and just looking at the old agency stuff, but they will be using your product to achieve certain things that the user that will have their phones in their pocket will be tasked them to do. And the internet is not ready. We're having this traditional, beautiful or less beautiful websites. The solution is the agent web. The agent web is the platform where you can build the different content for the different bots based on the behavior that you know about them. And just imagine of guessing how to win AI search is impossible. This is what everyone is trying to do. They're thinking, how to win AI search, how we create these problems, how we create that. No, the experience of the bots is different, and you have to create the standalone experiences for every single type of the bots that they are. And this is how you adapt your content and adapt your products to win the market. So after building thousands of products, I'm absolutely sure that the future of user experience is agent experience, not human experience. And let's stop living in an old, legacy, human-designed websites and interfaces and create something new and amazing for new friends of ours, bots. If you are building something and interested into what we do, add me on LinkedIn, shoot me a message, and let's create the new infrastructure for the internet. Thank you.